OSHA Scaffolding Safety. What you need to know: this video provides a comprehensive overview of OSHA regulations related to scaffolding safety in the construction industry. We'll cover key requirements, common violations, and best practices to ensure a safe working environment for all employees. Key topics covered: OSHA standards for scaffolding. Understand the specific regulations outlined by OSHA for the erection, use, and dismantling of scaffolds. Common scaffolding hazards. Learn about the most frequent hazards encountered on scaffolding, including falls, electrocution, and collapses. Preventing scaffolding accidents. Discover essential safety measures such as proper training, regular inspections, and the use of fall protection systems. Employer responsibilities. Understand the obligations of employers to provide a safe work environment and comply with all OSHA regulations. Employee rights. Learn about employee rights related to scaffolding safety, including the right to a safe workplace and the right to refuse unsafe work. This video is intended for construction worker site supervisors, safety managers, anyone involved in the construction industry. Scaffolding safety # construction safety # workplace safety #OSHA #fall protection #construction #safety tips #safety first #construction workers #high-rise safety #building safety #prevent falls #safety training. Welcome to Door and Dock Solutions. To scaffolding safety. Working at heights can be dangerous, but with proper precautions, you can significantly reduce the risk of accidents. Common hazards associated with scaffolding include falls, electrocution, collapses, and being struck by falling objects. Slips, trips, and falls on the scaffold itself are also a concern. Safety measures to mitigate these risks. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment (PPE). Conduct thorough inspections before each use. Utilize guardrails and toe boards to prevent falls. Maintain a clean and organized work area to minimize trip hazards. Never overload the scaffold. Use designated access and egress points. Training and inspections. Proper training is crucial. All workers must be trained on safe scaffolding use and procedures. Regular inspections by a competent person are essential to identify and address any potential hazards. Importance of compliance. Sampling with all relevant safety standards, such as those outlined by OSHA, is paramount to ensure a safe working environment. Prioritize scaffolding safety on every job site. By following these guidelines and emphasizing a strong safety culture, we can create a safer working environment for all. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered a substitute for professional safety training or legal advice. Always consult with a qualified safety professional or legal expert for specific guidance.